Rebuilding the Timberwolves. Big trades. We won the NBA Cup. We might have gotten fleeced. Injuries are hurting us. All-Star break. This is our roster. At the All-Star break. More injuries. Good season. We got the number 3 seed. Broom. In 7. We might be over. Conference Finals MVP. In 6. Bulls took Game 1. We took Game 2. They took Game 3. We took Game 4. We took Game 5. And we win in 6.